This is a kit of crimp iron wire lugs for 4 AWG wire. I was sent this to review for free. If you wanted to purchase it, it would cost you about $14. They haven't paid me for the review, and my opinions remain my own. So in the kit, you get 6 red heat shrinks and 6 black heat shrinks. And my understanding is you get 10 of these crimp iron connectors. And each of these crimp iron connectors have some writing on it. It says 4-1/2X. It has a little UL listing symbol. And let's take a look at the internal diameter here. So it looks like 0.28 inches is what it says here, or about 7 millimeters. All right, they say that these are 100% copper, tinned copper. And it does look very bright and coppery there under the tinning coating, so I believe that it is actually 100% copper lugs. Now, external diameter on these, biggest part here is 11.5 millimeters, or 0.45 inches. So the hole here is the 1/2 inch hole. It's about 0.51 inches or 12.9, almost 13 millimeters for the size of the hole. All right, there's definitely adhesive inside of the heat shrink tubing. So this is the type of tubing that not only shrinks, but it has kind of like a hot glue adhesive inside of it, so it melts that and sticks to things and really keeps, water out of the joint. All right, kit looks very reasonable. If you have 4-gauge wire and 1/2 inch studs, these guys should work pretty well for you.